My topic is tragedy of suicide. Alhamdulillahi wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi allazina istafa amma ba'd. Dear brothers and sisters, suicide or self-killing is a global phenomenon and it is increasing day by day. Taking one's own life is the most private of acts. Suicide is the extreme state that a human being. It is not only the result of a mere negative thinking or solo consideration, but one is compelled to take its extreme state. The recent years have witnessed an alarming rise in the ratio suicide across the world. Unlike the previous records, young people are now at the highest risks in both developed and developing countries. Globally, nearly 60% suicide deaths are among young adults in their productive years of life. This is a distinct change while earlier more suicide were recorded among the elderly. Muslims and suicide. Dear audience, it is a fact that Muslim countries have the lowest rates of suicide death. Generally, the Muslims worldwide have the lower rates compared to non-Muslims. Similarly, the Muslims who live in the West continue to very low suicide rates. Suicide rates. Out of all the bounties, life is the most precious gift bestowed by Allah upon human beings. It is not personal possession or property, but it is a trust from Allah to us. We can only utilize it in the ways that have been ordained and described by Allah. We have no right to end it or damage it by our own hand. Suicide is a major sin in Islam. The Quran has clearly prohibited from suicide. It says, وَلَا تَقْتُلُوا أَنفُسَكُمْ إِنَّ اللَّهَ كَانَ بِكُمْ رَحِيمًا. And do not kill. Surely Allah is most merciful to you. May Allah grant us peace of mind, give us the comfort of the world and hereafter. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.